Addition. Addition.
Addition. Addition. A thing that is added to something else. All of these technologies are fairly recent additions. This is a welcome addition to the literature of Western art history. The act of adding something to something else. Add salt, tasting with every addition. Pasta's basic ingredients are flour and water, sometimes with the addition of eggs or oil. Used when you want to mention another person or thing after something else. In addition to these arrangements, extra ambulances will be on duty until midnight. There is, in addition, one further point to make.